All right, we got another piece of cast from like the 40s or 50s. This here is a nose cone off a Deere starter. So as you can see, focus, there we go. See that nice little crack, right meow. We're gonna go ahead and weld her up, and depending on what kind of profile I have, I may have to machine it down too. So yeah, let's get into this. All right, I figured I'd show my prep a little bit. Got her grooved out and then channeled out, so we'll get a nice full 100% penetration. And let's get some heat in her. All right, it is really ugly, but we got some decent penetration and a couple of blow-throughs, so let's get her down for a nap, and then we'll take a look at it. Woo, a little warm. All right, nappy. All right, now that she's cooled down a bit, looking pretty darn good. We got some really good penetration on the inside. I'm gonna go ahead and grind that up, clean this up, and yeah, we'll call her done. All right, there we go. Turn down just so you can slip her on in. Cleaned up on the inside. Done!